Quench your thirst with a classic virgin mojito. In the sweltering heat of summer, or during a casual get-together, a virgin mojito provides a refreshing zest. This non-alcoholic drink combines sparkling soda, tangy lime, and fresh mint leaves, ideal for family enjoyment. The virgin mojito is not just a drink, it's a refreshing experience. Its simple ingredients, lime and mint, offer a cooling effect and a burst of freshness, making it popular for parties and quick refreshments. To make a classic virgin mojito, you need lime juice, mint leaves, sugar, soda water, and ice cubes. These ingredients blend to create a delightful mocktail suitable for all ages. Key equipment includes a muddler, a tall glass, and a stirring spoon. These tools are essential for properly combining and serving the drink. Start by adding mint leaves and sugar into a tall glass. Use the muddler to crush them gently, releasing the mint oils to create a flavorful base. Next, pour fresh lime juice over the muddled mint and sugar. The acidity of the lime helps dissolve the sugar while adding the mojito's characteristic zest. Stir the mixture gently to ensure that the lime, mint, and sugar are well combined, creating a harmonious base for the drink. Fill the glass with ice cubes. The ice chills the drink and helps meld the flavors together, enhancing the overall taste. Slowly add the soda water over the ice, stirring gently to combine all the ingredients. The soda adds effervescence, lightening and lifting the drink. Garnish with a sprig of mint or a lime slice on the glass rim. Serve the virgin mojito immediately to enjoy its crisp, chilled, and invigorating flavor. For the perfect virgin mojito, use fresh ingredients and adjust the sugar and lime to taste. Experimenting with additional ingredients like cucumber, berries, or ginger can add a unique twist to the classic. The virgin mojito exemplifies how simplicity can lead to perfection. Whether you're hosting a party or cooling off, this mocktail offers delightful refreshment and a testament to the pleasures of non-alcoholic beverages. Cheers to a refreshing sip.